Why make butter when you can buy it? Well, depending on where you live, good quality butter can be expensive, and making it yourself is such a rewarding skill. Not only do you save money, especially if you grab cream on sale, but you also know exactly what's in it. No preservatives, no additives, no hidden extras, just pure creamy butter with a pinch of salt if you like. And honestly, if you're baking sourdough bread, doesn't it make sense to spread homemade butter on top? The good news is making butter at home is so much easier than you might think. One simple way is the mason jar method. Just add cold cream to a jar, screw the lid on tight and shake until it separates into butter and buttermilk. It takes a little arm power, but it's quick, cheap and fun. If you'd rather make a big batch, your stand mixer will do all the heavy lifting. Using the whisk attachment, cream transforms into butter in just a few minutes, and you can whip in salt or even herbs for extra flavour. A couple of tips here. Always use heavy cream with at least 40% butter fat. Wash your butter in icy cold water so it doesn't melt, and don't throw away that buttermilk. You can use it for sourdough pancakes or sourdough biscuits. So next time you spot cream on sale, grab a jar or your mixer and try making your own butter. Once you taste it, you'll never look back. Enjoy!